The most common data type that we have is a string, which is simply a list of characters. Now, a character is essentially any input that we can put into the computer, whether it's a symbol, a character from the alphabet, a number, or even spaces. All of these are characters, and the string can be any one of these, and it can be at any length and contain any one of the characters that we defined earlier, as long as it's encased in either a double quote or a single quote. So in case you were wondering, if you use a single or double quote, there's no difference whatsoever to the computer or to Python. It's the exact same thing. The only thing that's important to remember is that we must remain consistent. So that means that if we're using double quotes to open a string, we're going to have to use double quotes to close a string. When we're using a single quote to open a string, we're going to have to use a single quote to close it. Let's take a look at a quick example. We have a variable here called myString. Inside myString, we're storing the string hello world. The way that we're doing it is by using double quotes. We start with a double quote and we finish with a double quote. What this does is it tells the computer, this is where I'm starting, this is where I'm ending my string. Now, when I go ahead and I print my string, I'm going to get hello world. Now, you're probably wondering what happens if I want to have multiple lines inside a string. So for that, we have something called multi-line string. Multi-line string essentially allows us to have multiple lines inside a single string, or essentially start new lines inside a single string. The way that we create a multi-line string is by using 3 double quotes, and then also by closing it with 3 double quotes. That way, everything between the 6 double quotes or between each 3 double quotes is the value inside the multi-line string. Now, we also have multi-line strings where we can create them with a single quote. Double quotes or single quotes are the same. We don't care about them as long as they remain consistent.